Do you want to know how you can log in to your explore.ai account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your explore.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Now, go to the Google search bar and search for Explore AI Login. Scroll a bit down and you can see Explore Artificial Intelligence. Go ahead and click on this link. It will take you to the official page of Explore AI. Go ahead and click sign in, which you can see on the top right hand side. If you don't have an account, just go ahead and sign up yourself. So, as you already have an account, go ahead and click sign in. It will take you to this login portal where you can sign in using your email address and password, or else you can sign in using your LinkedIn account, your Facebook account, your Google account, or your Apple ID. So, if you don't want to log into this, just go ahead and write down your email address, your password associated with Explore AI, and just click sign in. This way you can successfully log in or sign in to your Explore AI account. In case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password, and you can also click on this box and you will be remembered by your browser the next time you try to log in. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click on create a new account and you can create an explore.ai account for yourself. I hope this video about how you can log into explore.ai account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.